In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Webnode. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is open up a web browser and go to the Webnode website at www.webnode.com. When you arrive at the website, click Get Started for free and you will be able to include the name of your website on the first tab and then sign in using Facebook or Google or just your usual email. For this video, I'm going to authorize using Facebook and you are going to get instructions on screen to help you set up your website. As you can see, you can choose between website, online store, or blog, and these will optimize your website to be displayed in these formats. I'm just going to go ahead and select website, and you are going to get two options. The method of creating your website. You can use AI to help guide you or just choose one of the pre-existing templates. This is all personal preference, but I'm gonna go with a template. As you can see, if you select template, you will be able to preview through all of them and choose one for your website. Depending on if you want a more professional or casual vibe, you are going to find different styles here. Browse through the available styles and see what's best fit for your website. As you can see, I really like this one, so I'm going to click preview and see how it looks on the website that I'm going to create. It has the menus at the top right corner of the screen and people can scroll down to browse through products. If you are satisfied with the template you are previewing, select choose template at the top right and you can even see how it looks on a mobile device. And you will be able to fill out the rest of the necessary information to complete your account. You will need to include your phone, address, city, VAT number, etc. And as long as you include all the necessary personal information, you will be able to fully customize the template that you chose and use Webnode. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Webnode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.